Jesus rolling away the stone revealed how only grace removes the effects of the law, how grace applied releases the new covenant blessings into our situations to rebuke disorganizations and to throw off the curse. And so when Jesus rolled away the stone, how did he get there? God had brought him there. Jesus did not bring himself. He was carried there by God. He went when God told him to go, which was he had to wait 2 days. And when the light came to go to Judea, he went, even though the area where glory was about to take place was surrounded by Jews that wanted to kill him. He went when God told him to go, and even though no one understood the timing and the way, he still did it God's way. And when he arrived at the tomb, he arrived there in obedience. The other people, his disciples and Martha and Mary, all those people were able to come because he was speaking the truth to overcome their doubts, their unbelief, their lack of sense of God. And he didn't condemn them for it, but his strength, the truth that was spoken through him, carried them to that position to receive the glory of God, to experience new grounds for believing. And if he wasn't sent by God, if he hadn't given over to God what God had asked for in the timing, in the way, and in the deeds, it would not have been done. Because God is holy, therefore we are to be holy. However, we cannot be holy in ourselves in the flesh. And this proved that Jesus was a new creation and was not being carried by his redeemed flesh, but through the Holy Spirit. And therefore it allowed others to follow after him. And Jesus gave over the righteous prayers and was heard, proving that his movements were not random, but inspired by the Holy Spirit. From waiting the 2 days, to going at the time that he went, to arriving on the day that he arrived, to telling people the truth about the situation, all was inspired by the Holy Spirit, because the knowing of God was deep. It was a worship in spirit and in truth. And therefore that high priest offering sent a scent up to God, and it allowed the Spirit of God, through the moves of obedience, to be released to enact the new covenant upon the situation. And the curse was broken and life came forward.